control race, very quick.
Yeah. There's someone's camera. You not fly?
We've been up in a tandem.
Oh, okay.
First flight.
Okay, you're gonna now.
There might be an investment made.
So that's your first flight tonight?
First flight ever.
Ever? What do you mean ever? Like
flying? That's all. Well, apart from in an airplane.
Right. Okay, that's what I was thinking.
That would be a big step, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
I've been in lots of airplanes.
Yeah.
But never open air.
Never open air,
No.
and didn't scare you. Brilliant.
Peaceful.
So now you've got the bug now.
Yeah, I would have had it before it took off.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
But yeah, just walking around chatting with people.
What's your name?
Ian.
I'm Andy.
Hi, Andy.
All right. What's your name?
Amy.
Hello, Amy.
Got pole downs.
And you've been up, haven't you?
You've been up as well.
Went out, yeah, together.
It's first time.
Yeah.
How was it?
Oh, it's amazing.
Is it smooth?
Yeah, really smooth.
But you don't know what bumpy is yet, do you?
No. We had a few ups and downs, but
Yeah.
nothing
Awesome.
that felt scary.
What we got down there is 3 Orca 4 tandem wings. There's 3 pilots, 3 passengers. Pretty epic. Flying along the 7 by the PMC board chaser flying.